Welcome back, dear student. I derived contentment and enough time for merrymaking, much to my amazement. Moreover, I was as happy as a lark since all my tasks were completed well in advance. So, help and support are the greatest blessing of God when we are in trouble. When we are in trouble, if someone help us and support us that you do this, I am with you and all. This is like a God, blessings of a God. So Mr. Shanti Savroop was beside me like my family member. When my father suffered from a massive heart attack, he offered me flexible time of working and thus I could spend more time with my father. The principal has given her flexible time to complete her work, so it's also very beneficial for her. She praised that her principal has given too much flexible time to do the work, so she spent lot of time with her father. I was grateful to him and admire him once again for his values of living even in professional life. He also had the fine quality of appreciation whenever I made some improvement in my task. His kind words give me the energy to work tirelessly. So dear student, in class also you have seen that many times teacher praise you for your work. At that time you have a positive energy to doing the another work, just like that. In the another phase, now she discussed the one phase of her life. Now in another phase of my life, I met Sheila in one gathering. She tried to befriend me. Her curious behavior gave me immense pleasure. I was happily chatting with her when my other friends warned me to remain away from her. He was told that she was a wolf in the sheep's clothing. She had a habit of borrowing money with never to return policy. Here, dear student, another phase of her life, she met Sheila. She is not good for borrowing and returning the money, so her friends also warned her that she is not good. So I remember the story of the sharp and the wolf who shouted for help when there was no wolf. One day the wolf approached him. Nobody responded to his calls for help, and his sheep were devoured. This lady was in a similar position because even at the time of emergency, nobody would lend her money. One drawback in her policy of leaving was actually shutting all doors for her. So, dear student, make your behavior truthful and honest towards everyone at any cost of. So, good qualities in a person character bring him name and fame. If any person have a good quality, the name and fame bring him for automatically to him. His reputation spreads like wildfire. Dolly, who stayed near my cousin's house, was a sophisticated lady, and everyone spoke highly about her. She is very good lady. Her cheerful disposition created a healthy atmosphere whenever she was around. Her father passed away when she was 12-year old. Now she met one another girl, another lady. So she is very good. Everyone praise her character. That girl's name is Dolly, and her father passed away when she was 12-year old. Her sick mother could not do much. Her mother is not do so much work and all. So Dolly picked up and could give a hard work beside educating herself. She worked as a nanny in a rich woman's house and joined evening classes in the school. Now Dolly was very upset because the earning for living he earned. So she worked as a nanny in rich woman's house, but she didn't leave the study. She joined evening classes. Her dedication and devotion helped her to acquire scholarship for further studies. She was calm and well known for the commitment she made. She was well known for the commitment. Once he committed anything, then he can fulfill that commitment. So she was true to her words and was compassionate towards one at all. One old uncle had helped her by purchasing books for her university education. So Dolly acquired a professional degree and became a physiotherapist. She started earning money but did not forget the ever helping uncle. Patience was her great virtue and she was a good listener. She visited her uncle often and kept on listening to his age old stories of life, which he narrated repeatedly. Sometimes you have seen the old people says repeating one story, and he has faced any situation again and again and again, like you have seen your grandmother, grandfather in family also. Some people feel bored from them, but some can enjoy that stories. The Dolly is like that. So mercy is a valuable trait in human life, because all of us sail in the boat of error. We are bound to make mistake in our span of life. Some people may sin against you deliberately or due to their ways of leading an ignorant life. We must develop the trait of forgiving them and lay down the cudgel of revenge. Moral of the story: gratitude and patience is the best way to bring more in one's life. So, dear student, if you want to succeed in your life, then make your behavior patientfully and honest about your studies, work hard, and also ready to face any kind of problems. So, thank you and have a nice day.